What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing? We are doing a 4-box Contenders break. Good luck, everybody. Here we go, box one. Okay, see how this 4 boxes. These breaks have been pretty good. Optic is this week. That's always a sweet product. Justin Jefferson. We got, first up, Terrell Bernard, Buffalo. Tyrion Davis Smith, San Francisco. Mac Jones /99. Drake London. Random. Jordan Davis, the Eagles. Timothy. Who do you need?
Daniel McConnell.
I think he's over here, right there. The Marvin Leal. Marcus Jones and A.J. Dillon. All right. No, you just have to sort them. Don't upload them. Next box. Okay, box 2. So one low scoring basketball game. Okay. Gino. TJ Watt. Mr. Theo Munford to 49. We got Nick Cross, Colts, Indy, LGD. Ring my bell, brownies. You don't like to ring? Out of 99, Minnesota, Jefferson and Cousins. Kayvon Thibodeau to 49 for the Giants. G Tuck. Randomizer. We got Keon Green, Wendell Robinson. We got 47 ticket stub, Mr. Arnold Ebeki, Falcons, S.J. Ritchie. Box 3. One-point game. I stand corrected. Come on, box 3. Let's get a monster. Heat took the lead. Oh, they are. Tanner changed his mind. We know that. What's on tomorrow's your thing? Okay. Here we go. Box 3. Rashad White, Tampa Bay. The Mari Mathis. Little Hand Pickett. Montreal, Washington. Out of 25. Broncos. Chris Olave to 20. 57 of 99. Okay, some Brees Hall out of 99 for the Jets. Copper Rose. Nice one right there. On card to 99. Random. Wow, that was a block. Jalen Thompson. Jalen Thompson, Arizona. Drake London. Last box, box 4. Okay, final box. Let's hit it. Okay, let's do this. Chris Alaquan, Kansas City. And Kansas City, Travis Kelce. Jeremy Ruckert, Jets. Walker. Jonathan Taylor. We got Easy E, Miami, and M62. Alec Pierce, Colts. LGD. All right. Random. Out of 99. Very sorry, that. TJ Watt. Jamal Lewis. Stack. Traylon Burks. Lance McCutcheon. Rams. Devin White. And do we have one more? Or was that the last one? That was the last one. All right. The recap. And then I'll do the random for this. For these, we have top, bottom, and we have left, right on those. So we have Lance McCutcheon, Jeremy Ruckert, Chris Alaquan, Jalen Thompson, DeMartha Mathis, Rashad White, Kenyon Green, Nick Cross, Marcus Jones, Marvin Leal, Jordan Davis, Terrell Bernard. We had Montreal Washington to 25. We had Arnold Ebike out of 47. Kayvon Thibodeau to 49. Thayer Munford to 49. We had Alec Pierce, Easy E, David Bell, Tyron Davis Price, and Breece Hall to 99. My wife wants to know who you got mad at. Huh? Who I got mad at? What you mean who I got mad at? Left, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right. All right, top, bottom. One, two. Oh, I didn't curse. I know it said that. Top. Man, you definitely didn't. You're hearing things, so that's definitely not me. So, congratulations, everybody. Appreciate everybody. We will have some more of this. And we have 2 breaks ending tomorrow. We'll break on Monday, and then we got more breaks on Monday. This week we break in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And I'll leave on Saturday for vacation, and we'll be back the following week. So we have a little vacation. So appreciate everybody. Thank y'all. And everybody have a great rest of the weekend. And good night, everybody. Here's your